Okay, we're working on this thing. What is it?
This shit.
Piece of crap. We already knew that. It's a Harley. You can see that. What year we claiming? 88, 9?
89.
89 panhead.
89 with an aftermarket pan.
89 panhead softail with a carburetor problem. It flows. Because somebody worked on it, fixed it. Or fuxed it.
Like me.
They fuxed it. Okay, so evidently there's more gas in the ground in the bike, I think you said? Is that what it was? You put that clamp on there like that. Is that you?
Me.
Yeah, good job. Should have brought the tripod.
Not that shaky.
Yeah. You're not shaky today? Good. They don't know who you are yet, but they'll figure it out. You're number one shaky.
What do you say?
There you go, work. I'm gonna kind of get some a little bit. So what you doing here? You're in there playing around the float bowl. What else did you do? Was the carburetor off the bike yet?
No.
Must be a bracket down there.
Yep. Right behind you.
What if I just bend it down?
No.
No.
No, I'll never get it back on.
No.
I took it off last time.
Do you want me to do that? You want me to bend your bracket?
No.
Yeah, I could. I think it's turning on the other side for some reason.
It is.
Oh, good. Guess how I knew. Let's see. Why'd you bring all these tools? Yeah, look at all this crap in here. Jeez. That's one of the damnest tools in my life. Flashlight, I do need that. Okay, we're working our way down to the tools we're going to actually use now. How about a 7/16? Use that one. Hard to get another wrench. There's something sharp over there. Your bike attacked me. Can I sue?
Yeah. Of course.
Let's see. Somebody left some tools at home. Yep, I found them. Well, that's what these stupid brackets go on.
That's a Gino. Gino bracket.
I actually have these brackets that look like this at home. T brackets, Y brackets I call them. Yeah.
You mean a real one?
Nope, I don't need one. Got enough of my own. Okay. This flashlight's really bright. Can I focus it? No, I can't focus it or focus it. Non-adjustable. I like non-adjustable flashlights. Alright. There's your problem, you got braided cables on it. That's why it doesn't work. It feels like something's loose. Make that where it's hard to get to. So you had the gas tanks off when you had this carburetor last off, didn't you?
Probably. I don't.
So here's the clamp, it's pointed this way.
Yeah.
It was pointed down here, you can get to it, undo it. And it's over like that, you can't get to it. It's got goo on it.
Paper towels.
I just don't know how tight that is. See, I can feel a jerk clearance in something, so it acts like it's loose. Which would be an air leak. You see that does move. See how it moves?
Yeah.
That would be an air leak. Oh,
Oh,
got a big air leak now.
oh, fuck!
It's a massive air leak now. I don't think it'll run anymore. I think somebody moved it. It was loose anyway, wasn't it?
Oh my god.
That's why I can't find the right size. You mixed up my sockets.
Jesus Christ.
What? Didn't want to come off. It came off. You need a real light. Give me my flashlight over there. I hate this stupid light over here.
It did come off. It's a good thing Jackie wasn't here.
You got this? Is this yours?
Yes.
Nice. Looks nice. I know you were looking for a car.
Oh no, no, this is my friend.
Oh,
Yeah.
my bad. I thought it was you. My bad, my bad.
Yeah, this is my car.
How are you doing?
It's not Jerry's car though. Oh, we gave out whose name it was.
Jackie wanted to buy this
Figure it out.
car.
Okay, carburetor's loose now. So now you can get to it. The next problem is this broken up over here?
Probably move that light over so you can see better.
No, I'm just looking right now. Looks like it's in where it belongs. That's the choke mechanism. So you'll make sure it's not broken on the back side, holding the throttle thing open on you. Okay, now we're gonna get down to these screws. Well, I know what I forgot to bring. My hammer impact. To get the tight screws out, and it's probably gonna be tight in there. What are those Allens?
Those are
in there?
Allen's.
Metric?
Probably.
Yeah, metric Allens go with metric. I didn't bring metric.
I got one Allen that fit it last time.
Well, hopefully it fits it this time because we need an Allen to get this thing off. You didn't tell me you butchered this thing. You got Allens in there. Look at that.
Tatro?
What? I didn't do it. It was loose like this when I got here.
You forgot something from your house. A
Yeah.
very bright light.
The metric
Is it?
Allens.
Oh, yeah, you got it right there.
I forgot the metric Allens. You're lucky. That's the one we needed.
Hey, you sure throw out. You
look
might